In this video, I will quickly show you how to use Tradingview on your phone to analyze charts and follow the market. First, go to your phone's app store, such as the App Store or Google Play, and search for Tradingview. Then download and install the official app. Once you open the app, sign into your account or create a free one. On the home screen, tap the search bar to find the asset you want to analyze, such as stocks, cryptocurrencies, or Forex. After selecting the asset, tap Chart to view the price chart. Now you can use your fingers to zoom in or move the chart to better analyze market movements. Tap the indicators icon to add tools such as moving average, RSI, or MACD. You can also change the chart time frame by selecting minutes, hours, or days. If you want, add the asset to your favorites to track it more easily later. Tradingview also allows you to create price alerts to be notified when the market reaches a certain value. And that's it. Now you know how to use Tradingview on your phone easily. Save this video so you can check it later if needed.